Alright guys, uh, today I want to show you another basic pattern, how you can play that your major scale, how you can play your pentatonic, okay? How you can fetch out your pentatonic scale out of that major scale I showed you, okay? How you can fetch out your pentatonic scale. And pentatonic scale is made of 5 notes. It's made of 5 notes, which is the Do, the La, the Sol, Mi, and Re, with Do. In the number system is the 1, the 6, the 5, the 3, the 2, and the 1. Okay? So this is how it sounds. And before you play, I want you to look at my pick. Look at the way I'm picking it. I'm picking it down, up picking. I'm doing alternate picking. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. So you're saying down, up picking. Okay, so when you are playing, you play down, up picking.